Hello and welcome to How To For You. Today we're gonna be jacking up a car. This is a 2017 Toyota Rav4 and I'm gonna show you how to properly jack it up. I've gotten a few requests in the comments about how to properly jack up a car. So I'm gonna show you specifically how to jack up this one, but just in general, what to look for and how to do it. The next thing you're gonna wanna do is get yourself a jack and two jack stands, and specifically for this generation Rav4 and these cars, a lot of Toyotas will have them, but there's actually a front jack point that you're gonna put your jack on to hook it to and then lift the car. This is the one in the front, there's another one in the back, but you're gonna put it up here and then jack the car up. So next you're gonna get your jack, find that jack point, and then lift the car. Once the car is lifted, you're then going to want to get your two jack stands and you're going to want to place them on specific jack points underneath the car. Now this is a unibody frame car, so you have to look specifically for these 2 points here along the bottom part of each side, and you're going to put your jack stand there. Then you're going to put the jacks underneath and lower the car back down. So here's the left side. And if you can also find a jack stand that has a locking pin for extra safety, that'd be really good too. Just making sure that you're always safe and secure. And now we're gonna do the right side. After that, you can slowly let the jack down and the car to the floor, and you can begin doing the work that you need to do. Now with these Rav4s for the rear, when you jack it up, you actually have a jack point right here. This is right below the back bumper. So you can lift the car up here, or conversely, you can also, like I showed you earlier, you can jack the car up from these jack points and put a jack stand on. So you can do it that way too for the rear side. So I'm gonna use the sides of these here to lift up the back side. Like I said, you can use that rear jack point or the sides here. And then again, you just always want to make sure that you put the jack on those jack points. So yeah, there you have it. That's how to jack up this 2017 or 4th generation Rav4. Again, just when working on any car and jacking it up, always make sure it's on a level surface. Always make sure you have a good jack, at least 2 jack stands, and that you find the correct jack points. The worst thing you could possibly do is jack it up in the wrong place and you bend the frame or the unibody or you break something. It's just super dangerous. So yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.